Hey, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered what it takes to turn Mars into humanity's second home? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating phases of Mars colonization. First up, preparation and research. Before we even think about stepping foot on the red planet, there's a mountain of homework to do. Scientists and engineers are busy understanding Mars's atmosphere, soil, and potential resources. It's not just about sending rockets, it's about ensuring we could actually survive there. Next, we've got the initial unmanned missions. This is where our robotic buddies steal the spotlight. Remember NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers? These robotic pioneers are our eyes and ears, scooping up soil and buzzing around, helping us map out where it's best to set up camp. Now, let's talk about the big leap. The first human missions, planned for the mid-2030s. This is no small feat. We're talking about sending astronauts millions of miles from home to an environment that isn't exactly welcoming. But hey, challenge accepted, right? Following the human touchdown, we move to the installation of habitation modules. Imagine assembling a high-tech Lego set, but every piece is crucial for survival. These modules will be our homes, labs, and everything in between. Then comes the development of supporting infrastructure. We're talking energy, water, communications, you name it. Mars won't just be a place to visit, it's going to be a place to live. And for that, infrastructure is key. Finally, the grand vision, the development of autonomous colonies. This is where Mars really begins to feel like a second Earth. These colonies will need to be self-sustaining because, let's face it, grocery deliveries from Earth might take a bit longer than expected. Now, I'd be glossing over the truth if I didn't mention the challenges. We're dealing with high radiation levels, limited resources, and not to mention the health issues from living in low gravity. But with international cooperation and some serious technological advancements, these are hurdles we're learning to leap over. So there you have it. Turning Mars into our second home isn't just a sci-fi dream. It's a work in progress, with brilliant minds from across the globe bringing it to life. Thanks for joining me on this interplanetary adventure. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.